So we're going to draw bearish trend lines. Now, a bearish trend line is a trend line that the market has to cross in order to go down. If the market crosses a bearish trend line, bearish refers to the market direction afterwards. So with that in mind, we are going to draw the trend line underneath the price, and it's going to be sloping upwards, which means we are going to connect swing lows that are getting progressively higher. And here's an example of a trend line we can draw. So we've got a swing low and a higher swing low. So we can connect these and draw a trend line. So I'm going to scratch that and show you how I do it from the beginning. Trend line tool. I'm going to start where I want the trend line to start, go out to the side, and then up until it makes contact with the first candle. And there it is right there. This is the low of this particular candle, and I've drawn my trend line. Now, I do not want to be drawing a trend line underneath the price that slopes in the wrong direction. I don't want it sloping down if it's being drawn underneath the price. Now, you can do this for chart patterns and things like that, but it wouldn't technically be a bearish trend line. It has to be sloping upwards, and it has to be underneath the price, and the swing lows are getting progressively higher and higher. So here's a couple more opportunities. I can connect here to here, so I will go out, and then I'm going to extrapolate it, and I can do that in here as well. I can start from this one and go out till I make contact, and then here we have a nice market movement. So we've got this trend line drawn. Now, a swing high or a swing low in this case is a place where the market has moved away from its low. Market comes down and it makes a movement away from this low. I don't want to be looking to try to connect something that is not really a swing low. I want to maintain the actual support and resistance. In this case, they are support levels that I'm connecting. From underneath, I can draw a trend line. From underneath, I can draw a trend line this way. So these are bearish trend lines. They're drawn underneath the price and they are sloping upwards.